Hi student, this is Arogya ma'am from Maxinol அனைத்திலும் கணிதம். Exercise 4.2 ma. In this exercise 4.2, we are going to learn under the heading of capacity only. That is liter, milliliter, kiloliter and so on. But in exercise 4.1, we have learned under the heading of weight. Right? Gram, kilogram, milligram, isn't it? Yes. So that is the only difference compared to exercise 4.1 and 4.2. Remaining and all same procedure. So don't panic about this. Let us see our portion. Third question. Add and write in liters. So here we are going to add, isn't it? So first sum 400 liter semicolon 50 liter semicolon then 500 ml, that's it, isn't it? So three we are going to focus on, we are going to add three capacity, right? So before to add, what are the two conditions? One is we must split under the heading of place value and also measuring unit, like this. I'll help you. Yes. So place values are there and then liter and milliliters also is there. So how to split? First capacity is 400 liter, isn't it? So liter க்கு கீழ அந்த 400 fill பண்ணுங்க. So milliliter காலத்துல போட்ட 0, right? So இந்த base பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் நம்ம 400 னு சொல்றோம், but இங்க தானே 100 இருக்கு, isn't it? But why we are saying here 400? So the quantity is correct. That is 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 and then 4 lakhs only. But according to the base on liter, we need to say here 400 only. Fine. So don't get confusion. Just enter under the heading of place value. In the order எழுதுனீங்கனாலே correct. Because milliliter is the smallest unit and then after that this is the next smaller unit, isn't it? Okay. So just 400 and fill the remaining and then come to our addition. Now we need to add here this one column, isn't it? So 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0 is the answer. Then come to the tens column, here also 0 is the answer. 100th column we have 5, 1000th column 0, then 10,000th column 0 plus 5 is 5, then in lakh column 4, 4 is the answer. So now we need to take it out and write, isn't it? So answer 450 liter and 500 milliliter. Like this only we need to write ma. Don't change the order. Liter 450, milliliter 500. Don't write like this. Just we need to write in this way only. Hope you understand. Second sum. So observe the question carefully. 3 kiloliter semicolon 400 liter semicolon then 3 milliliter. So in this question we are going to add three types of capacity unit. Fine. So I'll give the tabular column so that it's easy to understand ma. See, first one is place value and then I have split it into kiloliter, liter, milliliter. So idhula pathina it start from this we can understand. So milliliter is the smallest unit, isn't it? After that centiliter, then deciliter and then so on. Likewise இங்கேயும் நமக்கு milliliterல தான் ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகுது, ஓகேவா? Then centiliter, deciliter, ஓகேவா? இந்த மூணுமே நம்ம milliliter காலத்துக்குள்ள நம்ம கொண்டு வந்துட்டோம். Then after this liter, so இங்கே தான் நமக்கு liter ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகுது. Then decaliter, then hectoliter, then this is kiloliter. So that's what we have come to this. Okay. So இப்போ உங்களுக்கு ஈஸியா புரியும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். So kiloliterக்கு கீழ இங்க நம்ம 3 kiloliterன்னு சொல்றோம். Then here in the liter கீழ 400. இங்க இருந்து 004 னு போட்டீங்கன்னா it will come here only. So for our convenience we are saying 400 liter னு சொல்றோம். Fine. So this is the proper place value and then 3 milliliter, isn't it? So milliliter start from here. So 3 is here. Fine. That's all. We need to add only. So come to the one place. Answer is 3. Then tens column 0, 100 place 0. Then thousands column 0, 10,000 column also 0, but in lakh column 4, 10 lakh column 3. That's it. So this is the answer ma. Answer 3400 liter and 3 milliliter. Hope you understand. Third sum, 1400 ml semicolon, 5680 ml semicolon, then 280 liter. So in this we are going to split into liter and milliliter only. So as usual, okay, I'll give the answers with the tabular column. So it's easy to understand now, isn't it? So now we need to add here. In ones place 0 is the answer, tens place 0 plus 8 plus 0, 8 is the answer, and then hundredths column 4 plus 6, 10. So 0 here and 1 carry forward. Now 1 plus 1 plus 5, 7. Then in 10,000 columns 8 and lakh column 2. So final answer is 287 liter and 80 milliliter. Is it clear ma? So exercise 4.2, fourth sum, subtract. First one, 3 kiloliter from 15,485 liter. So as usual 3 kiloliter la irundhu 15 and something minus பண்ணாதீங்க. From அப்புறம் என்ன இருக்கோ that is the biggest number. From that only we need to subtract. So இங்க புரிஞ்சுக்க முடியுதா? From அப்புறம் என்ன இருக்கோ அதுல இருந்து தான் நம்ம firstல இருக்கதை நம்ம subtract பண்ணணும். Clear ma? I'll give the answer here with the tabular column like this. So liter தான் நமக்கு top most இருக்கணும். ஓகேவா? So last 3 digit வந்து liter காலத்துல வந்துரும். After that kiloliter. Fine. So 3 kiloliter as usual start from here. Now as usual let us do the subtraction. 5 minus 0 5, 8 minus 0 8, then 4 minus 0 4, 5 minus 3 2 and 1 must be come down. That's it. Very easy. So 12 kiloliter 485 liter. Fine. Fourth subtract. Second one 15 kiloliter from 20 kiloliter. It's very easy. அதாவது 20 கிலோல இருந்து 15 கிலோ நம்ம subtract பண்ண போறோம். So with that mind calculation we can find out the answer, isn't it? So 20 minus 15 what? 5, isn't it? Let us see the calculation here. Yes, both comes under kiloliter only. So in liters column full of zeros. அது இல்லாம கூட நீங்க எழுதலாம், no problem. இந்த kiloliter column மட்டும் எழுதினாலும் okay தான். So let us do the subtraction here. 0 minus 0 0, then here also 0, 100 place 0. In 1000 place 0 we could in minus 5. So just cancel the 0 and then 2. Fine. So now we need to share from 10,000 to 1000. Clear ma? இங்க 2 ல இருந்து 1 கொடுத்தோம்னா இங்க 1 ஆயிடும், here 10 ஆயிடும். So for our convenience we are saying this, just think about that. இங்க 10,000 காலத்துல தான் நம்ம அதுல இருந்து தான் ஒரு 10,000 தான் 1000 காலத்துக்கு கொடுக்கிறோம். So 1000 காலத்துல இப்போ ஒரு 10,000 இருக்கு, right? So 10,000 minus கீழ இருக்கக்கூடிய 5,000 பண்ணீங்கனாலே உங்களுக்கு தெரிஞ்சிரும். 10,000 minus 5,000, 5,000 is the answer. Okay. So அந்த 1000 கீழ 5 இருக்கனால அங்க 5,000 is the correct answer. So here remaining 1 is there. 1 minus 1 0. Hope you understand. So that's what answer, that is answer 5 kiloliter. Is it clear ma? So third one ma, 345 ml from 5 liter, isn't it? So இங்க 5 லிட்டர்ல இருந்து 345 ml ன்றத நம்ம மைனஸ் பண்ணணும். So let us write it carefully like this. அதாவது லிட்டர் ஒரு செப்பரேட் காலமா பிரிச்சுக்கோங்க, மில்லி தனியா பிரிச்சுக்கோங்க. I told you milliliter must be in 3 digits. அது சொல்லிருந்தோம் இல்லையா? Yes. So அப்ப from this we need to find the answer. Start from ones place. 0 minus 5 is not possible ma. Just cancel it. Let us get from tens place. There is also nothing. So just cancel that one. From hundreds also we couldn't share. So cancel that one. But we can get from thousands place, isn't it? So ஸோ இங்கேருந்து நம்ம ஒரு தௌசண்ட்ஸை ஷேர் பண்ணலாம். ஸோ இங்கே 4 இருக்கும், இங்கே ஒரு 10 கொடுத்துருவோம். Okay, but again we need to share to tens place. So cancel that 10 also, and then 9 will be there, and here 110 will be there. Fine. So once again we need to share to one place. So cancel here and give here. Fine. Now we have the 10 in ones place. So 10 minus 5, 5 will be there, and then 9 minus 4, 5 will be there, and then once again 9 minus 3, then 6 is the answer. Then bring down the 4. That's it. That's all, ma. Let us write the answer here. 4 liter 655 milliliter. Fine. Say 4.2. Fifth one, multiply the following. See here also the same procedure. Let us start with the tabular column like this. So நம்ம length and also weight la enna pannomo, the same procedure we are going to follow in liter and milliliter also. Just to multiply. 8 zeros are 0, then 8 zeros are 0, 8 twos are 16 and 6 here, okay, and then 1 carry forward, then 8 threes are 24, 24 plus 1 25, so 5 here and carry forward 2 and bring down the 2 because there is nothing to multiply, so just to bring down the 2 here. Our answer is here 25 liter 600 milliliter. Is it easy? Okay. So exercise 4.2, fifth one, multiply the following and second sum. Here also, as usual, just fill in the tabular column with proper place value and then proper measuring unit. Then let us start. 4 zeros are 0. Then 4 fives are 20. So right side 0 must come down and 2 must be carry forward. And then 4 fours are 16, isn't it? So 16 plus 2, 18. So 8 here and 1 above. Then 4 fours are once again 16 plus 1 17. So 7 here and 1 carry forward. There is nothing to multiply. So bring down the 1 here. So answer is 17 liter and 800 milliliter. Third sum, 5 liter 300 ml into 5. So the same procedure. Very easy. Let us start to multiply. So 5 zeros are 0. Then once again 5 zeros are 0. Here 5 threes are 15. So 5 must be come down and then 1 carry forward to top. So 5 5s are 25. 25 plus 1 26 more. So 6 here and 2 carry forward. There is nothing to multiply in 10,000 columns. So bring down the 2 here. So answer is 26 liter and 500 ml. Fourth sum, 6 liter 700 milliliter into 6. As usual, ma, let us start with tabular column like this. So I have split into liter and milliliter. So let us start. 6 zeros are, so 0 only, isn't it? So whatever number you multiply with 0, 0 is the answer, don't forget. Then 6 zeros are, once again 0 is the answer here. Then come to 6 sevens are, isn't it? So answer is 42. So 2 must be down and then 4 must be carry forward, right. Now 6 6 are, clear. So 6 6 are 36, 36 plus 4 40. So 0 here and carry over 4 there. But in that 10,000 column there is no number. So let us bring down the 4 here. So answer is 40 liter and 200 ml. Can you understand, ma? Yes. Very easy. Exercise 4.2, sixth sum, divide the following. So what we have done in the length and also weight, the same procedure we are going to follow here. Let us start. Right. So place value also is there and then standard unit also is there, isn't it? So I have split into liter and milliliter, that is 18 liter and 240 milliliter. So what is the divisor here? Yes, 6 is the divisor, ma. So draw the lines and then mention the 6. Now let us select the first digit. So 1 is the first digit, but in 6 times table we don't have 1 as the answer. Am I right? Yes. So 6 ones are 6. அதில தான் start ஆகுமே. So let us take with 0. That is 6 zeros are 0. So now we need to subtract, isn't it? So 1 minus 0, 1 is the answer. Then bring down the 8. Now we have 18. So 6 3s are 18 is the answer here. 18 minus 18, 0. Fine. So bring down the 2. In 6 times table we don't have 2. So let us take once again 0. 6 zeros are 0. So if we subtract, we have 2 now. Then bring down the next digit. So now we have 24. That is 6 4s are 24. Fine. So if we subtract once again, 24 minus 24, 0. Then bring down the next digit, 0. So if we multiply with 0, then we have 0 only. So answer will be, yes, 0. Then let us select and write 3 liter 40 milliliter. So இங்க புரிஞ்சுக்க முடியும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். லிட்டர் அந்த டிவிஷன் காலத்துல பாருங்க, லிட்டருக்கு மேல இருக்கக்கூடிய 03 தான் நமக்கு இங்க ஆன்சர். So we couldn't read 03, isn't it? So 3 is the perfect. So 3 liter. Then milliliterக்கு மேல இருக்கக்கூடிய 040. If we start with 0, we couldn't read. So அதை மனசுல வச்சுட்டு அதை விட்டுட்டு then remaining 40, that is the milliliter. Can you understand, ma? Fine. Second sum, 20 liter 600 ml divided by 2. So let us start like this. I have splitted liter 20 and then milliliter below 600, isn't it? Okay. So draw the lines and then divisor is 2. So now it's easy, isn't it? So let us select the first digit, 2. So 2 1 times only. Am I right? Yes. 2 ones are 2. Then after subtraction, 2 minus 2, 0. Then bring down the next digit. Yes, 2 zeros are 0. It come fast. Okay. So answer also 0 mark here. Then bring down the next digit. In 2 table, yes, we have the 6 answer. So 2 3s are 6. Right? So 6 minus 6, 0. Then bring down the next digit. Okay, 2 zeros are 0. Now after subtraction, 0 will become. So one more 0 is there. So bring down that. Now 2 zeros are 0. Right? So close this. Let us split the answer. So லிட்டருக்கு மேல இருக்கக்கூடிய 10 இருக்கு இல்லையா, that is the answer for liter, and milliliterக்கு மேல இருக்கக்கூடிய 300 தான் நமக்கு milliliter. Right? Let us write like that. Answer is 10 liter 300 ml. Third sum, 21 liter 490 milliliter divided by 7. Okay. So this is the tabular column. Draw the lines like this. So divisor is 7 now, isn't it? So select the first digit, 2. So in 7 times table we don't have 2 more. So let us start with 0. So 7 zeros are 0. Enter here and then after subtraction, 2 minus 0, 2. So bring down the next digit, 1. So 21 is there. So 7 how many times? 3 times. Am I right? Yes. So 7 3s are 21. So after subtraction, 0 is the answer. So bring down the next 4. In 7 times table we don't have 4. So let us select 0 ma. 7 zeros are 0. Okay. So if we subtract, 4 minus 0, 4. So 7th table இருந்துச்சுன்னா அந்த ஆன்சர் எடுத்துக்கலாம், அல்லது அதே ஆன்சர் இல்லைன்னா அதுக்கு பிஃபோர் நம்பரா உள்ளது தான் நம்ம எடுத்துக்கணும். ஓகேவா? So now we have 4. Bring down the next digit, 9. Yes, we have 49 in 7 times table. What? 7 7s are 49, isn't it? So square number. So after subtraction, 49 minus 49, 0. One more 0 is there ma. Bring down as usual, 7 0. So 0 and then answer is 0. Close it. Right? So now லிட்டர் காலத்துக்கு above மேல என்ன இருக்கு 03 இருக்கு இல்லையா, so 3 liter and then 70 milliliter is the answer, right? So if you couldn't understand, please pause here and then go backward and then repeat it one time, sure it will be easy. Okay, so fourth sum, 25 liter 350 milliliter divided by 5. So this is also very easy sum. So let us start. Here is the tabular column. Fine. So draw the lines and then 5 is the divisor. Fine. So let us select the first digit 2. 2 is not in 5 times table, isn't it? So start with 0. 5 zeros are 0. Right? So after subtraction, 2 minus 0, what? 2. Then bring down the next digit 5. So now we have 25. Yes, it is also in the 5 times table. 5 5s are 25. So now we can subtract in an easy way. 25 minus 25 is 0. Then bring down the 3. Right. So 3 also not in 5 times table. So what we have to do? Very good. So we have to take 0. So 5 zeros are 0. Let us subtract these two. 3 minus 0, 3. Bring down the 5. Now we have 35. It is also in 5 times table. 5 watts are 35 ma? Good. 5 sevens are 35. Right. So 35 minus 35 is 0. Then bring down the next digit 0. So as usual 5 zeros are 0, isn't it? So close it. So what will be the answer here? 5 liter and 70 milliliter. Okay, it's right only. Just check it.